back to our channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're good. Today I'll be making cupcake in blender and stove. Are you surprised? Wow! So stick to this video and make sure you watch it to the end. Let's get this done. Welcome back. Like I said, I'll be making blended cupcake with blender and stove. If this is your first time in our channel, you're highly welcome. Hi, my name is Kamsi and this is Kamsi Space, where we make videos on food recipes, vlogs, and lifestyle. So remember to hit the subscription button and subscribe, like and share. Now let's jump to the recipe. So the ingredients for this recipe are 1/4 cup of oil, vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 cups of flour, and finally 2 large eggs. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to blend the egg, the sugar, and the oil. Now blend it. Blend everything together. Yeah, now that it's done, I'm going to pour it in a bowl. Now I'm going to sieve the flour and baking powder. Now sieve it. Now just mix it. Now just add the milk. And use see, now it's now smooth. Now you add the vanilla extract. and then you mix it again. If you have tried my recipe, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to see someone try my recipe. So yeah, it is now ready to be placed in the tray. Now, get your cupcake tray and then the cups and place them in the tray like this. So now I'm going to scoop the cupcake batter into the cups. Now that I'm done scooping, I'm going to add sprinkles. Add small. Set it aside. So now I'm going to put this frying pan on the heat for 5 minutes before I put the cake for 25 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I'm going to place the cupcake tray on it and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. Now cover it and allow it. Now my viewers, I'm going to check the cupcake if it's ready. Ooh, just look at that. Okay, to know if it's ready or not, get your toothpick and dip it in. If it comes out dry like this, the cupcake is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the heat. I'll carry this out. Wow, look at this. You can make cupcake in different ways. You can make it in the oven or on the stove. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and leave the bell icon on so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.